What I have done is made for you a course that is precisely geared to your schedule if you're a third or fourth year student rotating right now. You're going to come to class on Sunday from 9 a.m. to 5 and 6 p.m. You're going to come after your rotations are done at 6 to 10 p.m. You're going to do this for 4 weeks, and you're going to make sure that you've gone through this book page by page, and you're able to answer every question that comes to you on your Step 2 of USMLE. Spend 4 weeks with me and my teaching team, my co-authors on the Master the Boards book. You're going to have everything you need. You're going to be able to be finished with the course so that you can take the test in enough time to have your grades in a good enough time for EROS to open. And this will be the final time you really have to exert yourself before residency. Don't trust your own judgment too much. Make sure that we are able to hand you the tools you need to get the success you want. And you're also going to learn all the medicine you need to take care of sick and suffering people in their hour of need.